Hi everyone, welcome back to Michelle James Designs or michellejdesigns.com, where I blog about all things DIY. And today I want to show you guys these tiered trays that I made using Dollar Tree items. And I got kind of crazy when I was decorating them. I did two versions. This is my kind of whimsical Halloween version, and this is my little farmhouse version, and I love them both. I don't know which one to put up. But in this video, I do want to show you how I made these, but also the technique for using using chalk paint on glass. It's super easy and it looks great, and I get some questions about it, so here we go. So for this project, we're using a Dollar Tree charger plate and a dinner plate and a salad plate, and then in the video it shows two candlesticks, but in the final version I did make a whole another tray because they weren't quite tall enough to fit the little things I wanted to put in there, like coffee cups and stuff. So you may want to try, what I did is a vase and a glass a drinking glass. So I used the Rust-Oleum chalked spray paint. Now this stuff is awesome because you just spray it on. I did two coats. These are the candlesticks with two coats. One of them shows a little darker because it was black already. So once you get them painted and they're completely dry, then you can use the sanding block to distress them if you want to. I like a distressed look. So basically what you want to do is just take that block and go on kind of the raised areas of the glass piece. And this is where, if it was naturally distressed, this is where it would rub off, or over time would become distressed. So that's why you choose those areas. Like if you were doing a frame or something square, you would do mostly the corners. That's how distressing works. So basically you just want to sand away some of the paint so that it looks a little rustic. Then I'm just cleaning everything off with a cloth, all that extra sanding paint comes off. And then I want to be sure the bottom and the top where I'm going to glue is virtually free of paint. The glue would stick anyway, but I think this just gives it a little more hold, like a stronger bond. So now that I'm done with my glass painting, I'm just using my E6000 glue, and I'm putting a bead all the way around the bottom there. And then I'm going to place this candlestick, or in my final version it was actually the drinking glass, and there's my glue. So I'm just going to place it in the middle. Now you can measure if you want to, or you can just kind of eyeball it. I wanted to make sure there was no like distinct front and back on that candlestick, which there's not, and just put it down in the middle. Now the glue remains pliable enough, I guess I could say, to move it around a little bit, so you can kind of move things. So after you place them down, you can actually kind of step away and look at it and see if things are straight and in line, and then you just repeat the process for this top layer. So you just want to add more glue to the bottom and the top of the candlestick or whatever you're using. And there's my final version with the vase on the top, and then that's a drinking glass on the bottom that you can't see very good. You can kind of see the top of it in this. So this was my final farmhouse version. And everything there is from the Dollar Tree. The frames, I did the little printables myself, except for the fabric, but I know that you can get like a buffalo check scarf from the Dollar Tree, so you could use that too. The pumpkins are on my blog, those little pumpkin tea light holders. And this is my whimsical version with all, again, Dollar Tree items. except the beads. And yeah, it turned out super fun. I love the lights on there, and I'm not sure which version I want to keep up for Halloween. And I did put some candy at the top. It's half gone already. My husband's been eating it, but that's okay. That's what it's there for, right? I hope you guys will try this, and I hope you will try glass painting or chalk painting on glass, because it really is kind of a fun look, and I think you will like it. And it's easy. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good day.